track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, please.
Welcome to Learn from Lucifer. Today we will be learning Business Studies Chapter 1, Business, Trade and Commerce. So let's begin. So majorly you should study from NCERT textbook, revise it and read the full textbook. Firstly, what is a business? Business is an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities relating to purchase or production and sales of goods and services with a view of to earn profits. An occupation means people doing an activity on a regular basis related to purchasing or production and selling of goods and services with a view of earning profits. There are some characteristics of business which shows what kind of activities could be said as business. An economic activity. If there is no profit, it will not be called as business. Secondly, production or procurement of goods and services. If you want to sell goods, so you should manufacture or procure it from somewhere else. Thirdly, sales or exchange of goods or services. After production or procurement, what will you do about the goods? You will sell it, right? Fourth point, dealing with goods and services on regular basis. You should be selling goods on regular basis. Profit earning of money, it is very important in business. Sixth, uncertainty of return. In a business, you don't know what will be returned. Will it be more or less returnings? Today, how much customers will be coming? One will come or not? We don't know. So return is uncertain in business. So this is the definition and characteristics of business. Now let's discuss on human activities. We do two types of activity in terms of business: economic and non-economic activities. Now we'll discuss what is economic and non-economic activity. Economic activities are those activities whose main aim is earning profits. Non-economic activities are those activities which we did for sympathy, love or affection. In this, the aim is not earning profits, it is psychological satisfaction, self-satisfaction. Further, economic activity is divided into three parts: business, profession and employment. In the NCERT, its definition is given in 8 or 9 points, and these are the 8 and 9 points. You can study any 6 which you can memorize properly. Now see, with my notes, reading NCERT textbook is very important. First point, mode of employment. Meaning, how will you start a business? How will you start a profession? How will you start employment? What will be business? An occupation in which people regularly engage in activities relating to purchase or production and sales of goods or services with a view to earn profits. Now what will be profession? Professionals only deals with services like lawyers, chartered accountants. He or she will be dealing with all the services. It is business because they are earning profits, but it is services, so there is another category called profession. Meaning, these people give services which everyone cannot provide. Now what is employment? We people do not work for ourselves. We work under someone another doing someone else's work. For doing it, we get salary or wages. This type of job is called employment. When will business start? Do you think for starting a business, is there any criteria? You have to graduate, then only there will be business. No. When you wish, you can start a business. If you are 10 years old, you think you can start a business, then do. No one will be stopping you. There will be only an entrepreneur's decision and any legal formalities regarding registration and all. You have to complete that, then your business can be started. Profession. Can anyone become a professional? No. For becoming a professional, you need certificate of practice and degree of professional college. Employment. When will employment start? Employment will only start when you get any services agreement. Somewhere you can do services, that is your employment. Nature of work. What type of work will there be in business? Now you learned goods and services. In profession, personalized experts services which everyone cannot provide. Everyone cannot be a doctor. Their services they can only do. In employment, it will depend where you work. If you are working in school, there it will be different. In any hospital, there it will be different. Every place employment is different depending on their work. Now, qualification. In business, is there any need of qualification? No, there is no need of qualification in business. When you wish, you can start a business. In profession, high degree of qualification is needed. You should be expert in one particular field. In employment, again, it depends on what you are working, what type of work you are doing. There it will be required that how much qualification you need. Return or reward. What you get in return. In return of business, what do you get? In return of business, you get profit. What do you get in return of profession? You get professional fees. In return of employment, what do you get? You get salary or wages. Risks. In business, the risk is uncertainty of return. You don't know what will happen in future. In profession, there is only little risk. In employment, there is no risk at all. We are doing our job. Employer's business gets profit or not, we will get our salary. So there is no risk for us. In employment, code of conduct. In business, is there any well-defined rules and regulations? Until now, it is not there. So therefore, there is no code of conduct. In profession, high code of conduct. In profession, your rules and regulations are very strict. You have to strictly do your job. In employment, again, it will depend on your job. There can be code of conduct or not. Lastly, examples. In business, any type of shops like bakery shop are the examples of business. In profession, doctors, lawyers, teachers are all professionals. In employment, again, you're doing job somewhere else, like job in bank or any government office. So guys, this was today's video. You should revise it properly and prepare it so that your basics will be ready. If you like the video, please like and share, and also please subscribe.